This dog was about to become a mother for the first time, but the pain of becoming a mother was tormenting her a lot. She was not able to walk properly. Even crossing the door threshold became difficult for her. Seeing all this, her owner was taking full care of her. She used to get her checkup done regularly and took special care of her food and drink. Then one day suddenly the dog started having severe pain, and the owner immediately took her to the hospital, where the doctors started her treatment, and within a short time, one after the other, little puppies started coming into the world. The dog gave birth to 8 healthy puppies. The doctors showed her all the puppies one by one because these little puppies had taken pity on all her sufferings.